Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out some Pinterest DIY projects. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. I don't want to keep this intro long, so let's just hop right into the video. So the first DIY that I'm going to be testing out is Play-Doh made from hair conditioner. So the pin says to take 1 cup of hair conditioner and pour that into a bowl, and then I'm supposed to add 2.5 cups of cornstarch, but honestly I thought that was way too much, but that is the correct measurement because I just kept adding cornstarch and I added a lot. It was probably 2.5 cups worth, but I would just add a little bit at a time because if you add too much it could be really crumbly and you want it to be a dough consistency. And eventually, as you can tell, it started forming into dough and it wasn't so liquidy. So then I just took it with my hands and kneaded it. And the more I kneaded it, the less sticky it was. So this is what the Play-Doh turned out to look like. This DIY definitely works. A few pieces did come off, but it worked pretty well and I definitely recommend trying this out. So the second DIY that I'm going to be testing out is shaving cream rain clouds, and this is more of like a science experiment. So all I did was pour 1 ounce of water, which is a very small amount of water, into 4 clear plastic cups. And then I just added around 10 drops of food coloring to each cup of water, and I just mixed that up. Then I filled a container with water about 2/3 full. Next I added a lot of shaving cream. And then I added 1/4 teaspoon of food coloring to the shaving cream, and then it just seeped down into the water and it was super cool. It looks like rain is dripping from the clouds, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this is just what it turned out to look like. I thought it was super cool and this definitely works. All of the colors kind of blended together, as you could tell, but I still think it looks really cool. So the third and final DIY that I'm going to be testing out are marble nail polish coasters. So all I did was fill up a disposable container with warm water and just use a cheap bowl or container that you already have in your house, or you could buy one from Dollar Tree like I did, because you can't use this after because the nail polish just ruins it. So yeah, I just threw away my container after I was done with this. And then I just added some nail polish. I just poured it into the water and I used a toothpick to spread the nail polish. And I realized that this was not going to cover the entire tile coaster that I had, so I added a lot more nail polish. And once again, I just took a toothpick and just spread the nail polish around. I made a really cool design, and mine definitely did not look like the pin that's on the thumbnail, but I do really like how this turned out. I think it looks really unique and I just really like it a lot. Also, use disposable gloves because I made the mistake of not doing that and I got nail polish all over my hands. So yeah, be sure to use disposable gloves if you don't want to end up like a mess like I did. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to 300 likes. So if you're watching right now, then click that thumbs up button if you liked it. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Today's question of the day is going to be, when do you get out of school for summer? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all